Most AI tools just throw more text at you to sift through, but I finally found an agent that really does the work for me. Whether it's deep research or building a whole app from just one prompt, Manus settles the execution while I can just stay in my creative zone. Let's see how this can replace half my subscriptions. One of the biggest headaches with the usual research workflow is how much time you waste jumping between tabs, comparing sources, and trying to organize all the info yourself. Manus handles that whole process in a totally different way. Instead of just answering questions, it does deep research across multiple sources and turns all the scattered info into structured, ready-to-use outputs. And because it's pulling info from the live web, the results are based on the latest data, not just old training data or outdated knowledge. For this example, we are giving Manus a pretty complex research task about a trending tech topic. Normally, this would mean opening a ton of tabs, comparing articles, taking notes, and manually piecing together an outline. But instead, we are just describing the goal and letting the agent handle all the research automatically. As you can see here, we are using several high-authority sources, including major tech publications, research organizations, and official company announcements. Now, once this goes through, this is where things start to get interesting. Instead of searching one source at a time, Manus is doing research across multiple websites all at once. And as the agent works, it's gathering information, checking sources, and building a much broader understanding of the topic than you get from a single search. And this is one of the biggest differences between an AI agent and a regular chatbot. The agent isn't just spitting out text. He's actively collecting information from the web and double-checking what it finds in real time. For content creators, marketers, analysts, and researchers, this can save hours of manual research work. As you can see, it's going through all this information and the topics. Now we're getting updates. See, now it's letting you know. It's gathered extensive research from multiple high-authority sources. Now it's putting together the comprehensive structure for the script. Find and build. The interactive web page is all compiled and ready to report. There we have it. So once the research is finished, everything's organized into a structured report, and instead of getting a wall of text, you're presented with key findings, summaries, and source references that you can review straight away. So we'll have a look through all of this, and that's what makes this output practical. You're not just getting information, you're getting something that's already organized and ready to use. All the information's laid out nicely, organized, and ready to go. With the sources and references we've gathered and used, it's all set for you to use. And research is just one part of Manus and what Manus can do. The biggest thing here is that Manus isn't working like a chatbot. It's working like an agent. That means it can take actions on your behalf using a real browser. For example, here we're asking Manus to keep an eye on industry news sources and gather the latest developments. Automatically, as the agent moves through websites, it can navigate interfaces and find the relevant information. This right here is the sort of workflow that would usually need a dedicated assistant or analyst to do by hand. Now, look, you can see they've got to research the latest technology, and as the information comes in, Manus doesn't just collect headlines. It organizes, categorizes, and sums up the findings into something you can actually use. And this is where agent-based workflows start to become incredibly powerful. Tasks that would normally take quite a bit of time and attention can be handed over to the system, so you can focus on making use of the results instead of having to gather them yourself. The competitive intelligence, market monitoring, and trend analysis, or the breaking news research, that's a big change in how work gets done, and it's doing it quickly as well. As you can see there, it's just pulling everything out. It's gathering all the research notes and the AI developments. It's getting everything sorted, ready, and processed. I'm ready to chuck it into Notion. Another advantage is that Manus doesn't work in isolation. It connects directly with tools that heaps of teams already use, including platforms like Notion, Google Drive, and Airtable through MCP connectors. So that means the output can go straight into your existing workflows instead of being stuck in a separate app. But Manus does more than just research and automation. For the next example, we are going to ask Manus to build a working web application from a simple prompt. And what's impressive is that the agent, as we just paste that prompt in there, the agent there, it's not just spitting out random code snippets. It's actually creating files, installing packages, sorting out dependencies, and setting up the application environment automatically. This is a pretty complex prompt I've just put in. So we'll build a fully functional full-stack news aggregation web app, and all the requirements are listed there. So then it's actively creating the files. Normally, you need development experience and quite a bit of manual setup to do this. What we're seeing here is the agent taking care of the technical workflow step by step. Instead of just giving instructions for a human to follow, Manus is actually carrying out the workflow itself. So you can see here, this is where the platform really starts to feel fundamentally different from most other AI tools. Now, we can see the finished application running, right? The project's been built, and now we are deploying it using our workflows through Notion. You can see all the code in here. This is all the code for the completion. And now, once you've gone through that, we can check over everything that's been done just to make sure it's all sorted and reviewed. You can see all the code, everything lined up, ready for the web app and the Notion integration. So it's not just the platform, right? It really starts to feel fundamentally different from most AI tools out there at the moment. Alright, so now we can connect it to our Notion. And now we can see the finished application running. Once you sign in here, you log into your Notion and get everything sorted. And the project's been built, deployed, and connected into a broader working workflow environment. And because Manus supports collaboration, multiple team members can work together on the same project. Instead of sending files back and forth, this makes the platform much more like a collaborative workspace than your typical AI assistant. As you can see, it's all been cleverly and neatly set up and pieced together, ready to be rolled out in your workflow and work environment. Very tidy. Now, at the end of the day, Manus isn't meant to be just another chatbot. It's designed as a workspace for turning ideas into practical outputs, whether that's research, automation, reporting, monitoring, or even building application. The focus is on actually getting work done, not just churning out responses. And if you're keen to check out the platform yourself, you can get started with 1,000 free credits using the referral link provided. And you can start working and building your own workflow straight away. If you're tired of AI tools that only know how to chat, just click the link in the description and try Manus for yourself. Start with just one prompt and see how fast you can turn your idea into a completed project. That's all for this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button, tap subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.